One thing which I've always loved and learned is that, you know what, the journey is important than the destination. The same thing applies to cooking and my dishes. I've actually pre-boiled some potatoes. I'm not cooking potatoes, but I'm going to be using them to create a fantastic recipe using Emami Advanced Soya Chunks. Now for me, soya chunks connects me completely to my childhood and my Sindhi culture and heritage, because whenever mom wanted to tell us that you're going to be getting meat, we got soya, and believe me, half the times we ate it as meat. Now for about 100 grams of soya, which I've actually soaked pre-hand in warm water, has given me a yield of 240 grams. Now I actually forgot to tell you what I'm actually making, लेकिन आज हम बनाने जाएंगे soya sheikh के कबाब. Okay, let's start cooking. So we're gonna be भूनोफाइंग, यानी कि हम थोड़ा सा चने के आटे को रोस्ट कर देते हैं. As we said, it gives a very nice flavor. You can't use it really raw. You have to cook it out a little bit. This is almost done. Okay, we've nicely toasted it out. Okay, beautiful. So you can get this nice, literally like जो पके हुए चने की जब टेस्ट आती है ना, that's how I describe it. It's an amazing flavor if you know what I mean, you know. So हमारा ये जो पहले हमने भून लिया है इसको, we gonna put our भुना हुआ चने का आटा है. So next step जो हमारा है, तो हमने आलू बॉईल कर दिए हैं और चने के आटा भून भी लिया है हमने. ऑलरेडी हमारे लवली 5 कदम advanced soya chunks soak हो गए हैं, and we are all ready to make our mixture now. I'm going to be using mustard oil because I think ये जो flavor profile which I'm trying to achieve today goes really well with this mustard oil. So just going to be adding about a tablespoon of mustard oil in this. तो पहले हम देंगे थोड़ा सा जीरे का थोड़ा सा छौंक देंगे और थोड़ी सी मेथी. Okay, so we're going to give this a nice toast with this. So I'm going to be adding बारीक कटे हुए about 1 medium-sized onion to this, followed by a teaspoon of ginger and garlic. Okay, so 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger, and I think 2 teaspoons of green chilies because I like my kebab spicy. Simple. So इसको हमें थोड़ा सा translucent करना है. You know, you want them nicely soft a little bit. I'm going to be adding just a touch of water. So next we're going to be adding our soya chunks into this, salt to taste. Beautiful. So you want to saute this a little bit, okay? Now I like to saute my soya chunks because, you know, they need to be nicely roasted in mustard oil or any kind of oil, along with some nice aromats, okay? In this case I've got onions, ginger, garlic, green chilies, और अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें हमारे amazing मसाले. So थोड़ी about I would say half a teaspoon of each of the spices which I'm using here, namely half a teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder, along with a little bit of black pepper and thoda sa amchur. Okay, I like this flavor of amchur in this a lot. So we're going to be sauteing this really well, just like this. So we're going to be adding a little bit of fresh coriander into this. Beautiful. And then we're going to be adding our mashed potatoes. Okay, so literally I think I would need about 2 छोटे से आलू मैश किए हुए, और अभी हम इसको मिक्स कर देते हैं. Okay, so this mixture is ready. I'm going to just let it cool down, और उसके बाद we're going to be grinding it to make our sheikh kebab ka mix without forgetting our chana. Beautiful. I always recommend Emami Advanced Soya Chunks because of it has panch kadam, nutrition, building strength, immunity, meat substitute, and juicy and tender. That's what I love about it, and I love cooking with it. So अभी हमारा ये mixture थोड़ा सा cool हो गया है, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह. And अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे मिक्सर में to give it a nice mince. So along with this, I was thinking that we add a little bit of cheese as well. Why not? So it's going to get a really lovely flavor to this. Nice, lovely. And then we're going to be adding juice of quarter of a lemon. More coriander. So now we're literally going to just blitz this, okay? And then we could thoda, if you can't manage inside a mixer, you can always hand mince it, but I prefer to do this one. So we have a lovely mixture here, which I'm just going to be dropping here. Nice, lovely sheikh kebab mixture. Nice and rich, more than rich. I think it's really nicely tasty, okay? Perfect. So using your wet hand, take about 20 grams of the mixture, put it over the skewer, and then slowly, just like this, just kind of shape them. Okay, you want to make them flat, you can even make them flat, but I'm just doing like these mini lovely sheikh kebabs. So our lovely baby sheikh kebabs are ready. You know, great appetizer for home. And you know, something like this, you can get as creative as you want. आज तो हमने सिर्फ एक स्टाइल के मसाले डाले हैं हमने. But you, if you want to go Asian, you can add some soya sauce, ginger, garlic, add some spring onions, add a little bit of sesame oil. तो ये बिल्कुल Chinese style हो जाएगा. If you want to do the same kebabs and you want to make a satay, but you want to do it Thai style, तो आप इसमें थोड़ी सी green curry paste which you can buy, or a red curry paste or a yellow curry paste, so you can go in the Thai direction. अगर आपको इसको कोरियन स्टाइल करना है तो आप गोचूजांग पेस्ट डाल सकते हो. अगर आपको इटालियन स्टाइल चाहिए तो आप इसमें गार्लिक, रोजमेरी, पार्मेजान चीज़ वगैरह डाल सकते हो. If you want to do something which is from the southern part of the country, okay, you can add curry leaves, mustard seeds, coconut. So basically what happens is that when I think of soya chunks, I think of soya, I think of nutrition, I think of a meat substitute, I think about it like a blank canvas for any cook or chef to actually create things. And that's the reason why I've created one of the many dishes which we are going to show you in this whole year. So I've got my lovely mustard oil here, okay, continuing the tradition, and then I'm going to be just dropping these here. Whenever you're using wooden skewers आप use कर रहे हो, you have to make sure that ये जो wooden skewers जो हैं, you soak them in water, okay? Because then what happens is that if they come in contact with the flame, काले हो जाते हैं and they don't look really good. I mean, you know, nothing will happen, but you know what, presentation, that kind of, maybe I'm just overreacting, but I think it's true. हमारे फैंटास्टिक सोया के कबाब रेडी हो गए हैं. I've got a very nice green chutney which you can check my recipes on my other videos. Simple mint की चटनी है, 2 parts of mint, 1 part of coriander, 1-2 green chilies, हल्का सा ginger, salt, water, lemon juice. Sometimes you can add a little bit of peanuts if you want, but this is just a plain beautiful green chutney which I think which will go really well with the kebabs. Now, just for a little bit of crunch, let's make a quick salad as well. Okay, well, not a salad, I would say एक बढ़िया सा कचुम्बर हो जाए. So थोड़े से प्याज, okay, you take a little bit of प्याज, थोड़ी सी मूली, you know, whatever basically is in season, you can use that. आजकल मूली बहुत अच्छी मिल रही है. If you want to use some raw mango, यानी कि कैरी का आपको कचुम्बर बनाना है, so onions, cucumber, curry are a very good combo as well. Perfect. So the idea is that whenever you're cooking, it has to be light, it's got to be nice, it's got to be seasonal. अभी हम इसमें हल्का सा salt डाल देते हैं, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of amchur powder, a little bit of lemon, okay. And literally I call this my cutting board salad because ये last minute ये कुछ मेरे plan में नहीं था, बस मन कर लिया, बना लिया. I think it goes really well with this dish, okay. So बिल्कुल like you know you can even have it in with other things. So I think it's a great combo. पहले हम इसे ग्रीन चटनी डालते हैं, फिर आएंगे हमारे शीख कबाब. तो कबाब रेडी हो गए, कचुम्बर रेडी हो गए. अभी थोड़े से हमारे लेट्स ऐड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ और थोड़े से फूल डाल देते हैं हम. एंड यू नो व्हाट इज द बेस्ट एडिबल फ्लावर्स जो विच यू कैन ऑलवेज फाइंड इज मारीगोल्ड यानी कि गेंदे का फूल. सो besides using it for your puja part, you can also eat them, okay, and they are great for decoration, okay. And अभी टेस्ट तो बनता है इसका. Wow, nice and crunchy outside. Those amazing spices is giving it perfect the way I like my kebabs. I don't like them too dry. So as you know, everything is cooked inside. It's a little soft. Absolutely delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this amazing recipe using Emami Advanced Soya Chunks. The beauty about this recipe is the way we've treated these amazing soya chunks. And at the bottom of that is the quality of the soya chunks which we are using. Because once you soak them, they get so nice and tender and juicy, you can almost do anything with it. So I'll be waiting for your inputs. Cook these recipes. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to cook for you with these amazing soya chunks. Boom, we can do it anytime.